natural health for beginners.
Body oil perfume. Here's a simple body oil perfume recipe with exact quantities you can make at home. Ingredients: carrier oil, base, 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. Choose your favorite: sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, fractionated coconut oil, or grapeseed oil. Essential oils, 10 to 15 drops, depending on preferred strength. Example blend: 5 drops lavender plus 5 drops rose plus 5 drops sandalwood. Vitamin E oil, antioxidant, optional, 2 drops, for skin nourishment. Method: clean and sanitize. Wash and dry your glass bottle thoroughly. Sanitize with alcohol if needed. Combine carrier oil and essential oils. Pour 30 milliliters of your carrier oil into a small glass dropper bottle. Add 10 to 15 drops of essential oils of your choice. Add vitamin E, optional. If you wish, add 2 drops of vitamin E oil for additional skin benefits. Close and shake. Screw the dropper lid back on. Shake gently to blend. Label and store. Store in a cool, dark place for at least 48 hours to allow the blend to marry, the fragrances to blend together. Apply a small amount to pulse points, wrists, neck, behind ears. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.